Bangladesh is a land of beauty, adorned with lush greenery and serene waterways. This South Asian nation is rapidly progressing economically, driven by its 175 million skilled and dynamic people. Rancon Electronics stands tall as a leading electronics manufacturer in Bangladesh. The journey began in 1979 with Abdur Rauf Chowdhury, who envisioned a brighter future for the country. Today, Rumon Rauf Chowdhury continues this legacy, founding Rancon in 2005 to elevate living standards across Bangladesh. In 2014, Rancon Electronics began manufacturing high-quality electronics products at its ISO-certified state-of-the-art factory in Gazipur, spanning over 353,000 square feet area. With an annual production capacity of 300,000 refrigerators and 150,000 televisions, Rancon Electronics is dedicated to spreading happiness technology worldwide. At Rancon, our committed team continuously strives to innovate and improve. We foster a culture of mutual respect, fun, and a healthy work environment, driven by a passion for excellence. Our young leaders believe in the power of dreams, thinking outside the box, and putting their hearts into every project. Rancon Electronics specializes in manufacturing refrigerators. As a manufacturer, we produce all essential spare parts for our refrigerators from basic raw materials. Our motto, Challenge Convention, guides us in creating high-quality, world-class products. Using world-class technology and innovative designs, our engineers and technicians ensure that every refrigerator meets stringent quality standards. 5-star rated European standard Toshin Rancon refrigerators have become a top choice for customers. Toshin Rancon refrigerator also has antibacterial door gasket, tempered glass door, and eco-friendly R600 refrigerant. Country's only tropicalized refrigerators go through a heavy cooling performance test before going to the market. After passing all the tests and quality assurance, each refrigerator goes for the final packaging. To power up this huge manufacturing facility, we use our own solar power, which reduces carbon emissions and saves our environment. Besides this, we have ETP plant, which makes wastewater reusable for a sustainable environment. Also, workplace safety is our priority. When it comes to safety, we all have a part to play, and we are all responsible. Rancon Electronics also manufactures LG and Toshiba smart LED televisions. Our expert engineers are well trained by Korean engineers. They can handle every aspect of production, from panel preparation to software integration, ensuring each television meets international standards. Each television undergoes rigorous quality control before reaching the market, guaranteeing top performance and customer satisfaction. We are expanding aggressively, establishing numerous sales offices across the country to bring our products closer to our customers. With a bold vision and a courageous spirit, Rancon Electronics proudly labels its products made in Bangladesh. Our goal is to take Bangladesh to the global stage, proving that the time is now for our nation to shine. Rancon Electronics. Challenge Convention.